Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you about how to do the ad grouping in the Google AdWords. And the ad grouping is a fundamental concept in Google AdWords and it's essential for creating effective ad campaigns, the first thing is, what is ad grouping? The ad grouping is the process of organizing your keywords into specific ad groups based on their relevance to your product or services. For example, if you sell running shoes, you might have an ad group for men's running shoes, and then one for women's running shoes, third for kids running shoes. Why is ad grouping important? The ad grouping is important for several reasons. First is the better ad relevance. When your keywords are grouped together, you can create more relevant ads that are more likely to be clicked on by the potential customers. Improved quality score. The quality score are the measure of how relevant your ads are to your keywords and the search terms. The higher the quality score can lead to lower cost and then also better ad positions. More efficient bidding. You can set different bids for different the ad groups, which can really help you get some more out of your budget. The next is the easy examples of the ad grouping. So here are some of the examples. First is the product category. You can group your keywords by product categories such as shoes, clothing and accessories. Brand. You can group your keywords by brands such as Nike, Adidas and so on. The next is the location. You can even group your keywords by locations such as New York, Los Angeles, Chicago and more. The next is the best practices for the ad grouping. First is how much keywords should have in each ad group. The ideal number of keywords in a group in Google AdWords depends on the various factors, including the specificity of the keyword, the breadth of your product or the service offerings, and also your overall campaign goals. However, as a general rule of thumb, it's recommended to have around 5 to 10 tightly themed keywords per ad group. And the next is why: the relevancy and the quality score. By grouping closely related keywords, you ensure that the ads are highly relevant to the specific search query users are using. This improves your quality score, which direct impact your ad ranking and the costs. The next is the ad relevance and the click-through rates. With a narrow focus, you can tailor your ad copy to match the specific intent of the searcher, increasing the likelihood of them clicking on your copy. This leads to higher CTR and better conversion rates. Granular keyword management. With a smaller set of keywords per ad group, you can manage bids and match types more effectively. This really allows you to do the optimization for your ad performance for each keyword and maximize your return on investment. The next is the search term reports and the negative keyword management. By closely monitoring search term reports, you can identify irrelevant or low performing search terms and just add them as negatives. This prevents your ads from showing for irrelevant searches, wasting your spend. Campaign organization and scalability. A well-structured Google AdWords campaign makes them easier to manage and scale. As your keyword list grows, you can create new ad groups to maintain relevance and control. Remember, the key is to strike a balance between keyword specificity and campaign scalability. Too few keywords can limit your reach, while too many can make it challenging to manage effectively. Start with only 5 to 10 keywords per ad group, monitor performance and adjust as needed. So now in terms of the conclusion, ad grouping is a powerful tool that can really help you improve your Google AdWords campaign. By grouping your keywords together, you can create more relevant ads, improve your quality score and get more from your ad budget. So I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any question, please feel free to leave a comment below.